So welcome back friends. In last class we saw criss-cross method of multiplication. So we already saw how to do criss-cross method of multiplication for 2 digits number. Then we also covered the 3 digits number also. So this column and this column is completed. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the 4 digit number multiplication where we can directly find the answer, and these types of multiplication is very helpful in competitive exams when you have very less time. So if you have not watched my criss-cross method of multiplication videos for 2 digits and 3 digits, then I would recommend you to first watch those videos because it will be very difficult to understand the 4 digit multiplication. So let's see how to go for this. So suppose you have a multiplication of 3845 into 2437. So you want to multiply it directly. This is your first step, and this symbol is second step. This is third step, this is fourth step, this is fifth step, this is sixth step, and this is seventh step. And these dots are basically the numbers. So don't confuse because these dots are basically your numbers. So let's start solving this problem. So if you see the first step, so here we are multiplying the first 2 digits on the rightmost side, that is 5 into 7. So if 5 into 7 you get 35. So 5 you will write and 3 is carry. Okay, now the second step is this cross symbol. So here this cross means the rightmost row and the second last rightmost row. So here if you multiply 4 into 7 you get 28, and 5 into 3 you get 15. 15 and 23 if you add, because whenever this meets you have to add. So 28 and 15 will give you 43, and we had a carry of 3. So 43 and 3 will give you 46. So 6 you have to write and your carry becomes 4. So the third step, if you see, this is your third step. So 8 into 7, 5 into 4 and 4 into 3. So 8 into 7 you get 56. Similarly 4 into 5 you get 20. So 56 and 20 it becomes 76. And 4 into 3 you get 12. So 76 and 12 will become 88. And you had a carry of 4. So 88 and 4 will become 92. So you can write 2 and now your carry becomes 9. So we are already done with our first 3 steps. So let's move to the fourth step. So this is the most lengthiest step, but after this you will find it very easy. So in the fourth step you have to multiply 3 with 7, 5 with 2, 8 with 3, 4 with 4. So 3 into 7 will give you 21, 5 into 2 will give you 10. So 21 and 10 will become 31. Now similarly here 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 and 31 will become 47. Again 8 into 3 is 24. So 24 and 47 will become 51 and 71. Okay, and you had a carry of 9. So it will become 80. So you will write a 0 and now your carry becomes 8. So now we are left with our remaining 3 steps. That is step 5, step 6 and step 7. So let's just see the step 5. So if you see the step 5, so in step 5 we have to multiply 3 with 3, similarly 2 with 4 and 8 with 4. So when we multiply 3 into 3 you get 9, and then 4 into 2 gives you 8. So 9 and 8 will become 17. We are adding it. Then 8 and 8 into 4 will give you 32. So you have to add 17 in 32. So when you add 17 and 32 you will get 49. So your carry is 8. So 49 and 8 will give you 57. So 8. So 57, 7 you will write and 5 will become your carry. So now you are left with only 2 steps. So the second last step is this 3 into 4 and 8 into 2. 3 into 4 will give you 12 and 8 into 2 will give you 16. So 16 and 12 will give you 28, and you had carry of 5. So 28 and 5 will become 33. So you have to write 3 and your carry will become 3. So only the last step which is remaining is this 7th step, that is 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, and 6 and 3 will give you 9. So you can check in your calculator and I am sure that you will get this answer. So let's practice one more question. Okay, so let's solve one problem. So you can try this problem by yourself, then we will solve it. So let's start. So we know our formula is, the first step is this, the rightmost column, then the second step is this, the third step is this, where each this is a dot, which is a number actually, and the fourth step is this, then the fifth step is again this, and sixth step is this, and seventh step is this. So we come to the leftmost column in the last step. So let's start. So the first step is 1 into 2, so you will get 2. The second step is 7 into 1 and 2 into 8, so 7 and 16 you will get 23, so you can write 3 and your carry will become 2. So the third step is 8 into 1, 2 into 6, so 8 into 1 is 8, 2 into 6 is 12, so 8 and 12 20, and 7 into 8 is 56, 56 and 20 is 76, and 2 you have as carry, so it will become 78, so you can write 8 and your carry will become 7. So now let's see our fourth step. So our fourth step is 3 into 1, 2 into 5, then 8 into 8 and 7 into 6. So let's calculate. So 3 into 1 will give you 3, 2 into 5 will give you 10, so 10 and 3 will become 13. Now 7 into 6 will become 42, so 42 and 13 will become 55. Then again 8 into 8 will become 64, and 55 and 64 if you add, so 55 first add 4, so it will become 59, then 69, 79, 89, 99, 109, 119. So 119 you have carry of 7, so it will become 126, so you can write 6 and your carry will become 12. So now let's see our fifth step. So this is 3 into 8, 7 into 5 and 8 into 6. So 3 into 8 is 24, 7 into 5 is 35, so 24 and 35 will become 59, and 8 into 6 will become 48, so 59 and 48 if you add, so 59 and 48. So first if you add 8, so it will become 67, and then you have to add 40, so it will become 107. So and we have carry of 12, so it will become 107, and 12 will become 119. So you can write 9 and your carry becomes 11. So now we are done. We are only left with our last two steps, so which is 3 into 6 and 8 into 5. So 3 into 6 will give 18, and 8 into 5 is 40. So 40 and 18 will give you 58, and your carry is 11, so it will become 58 and 11 will become 69. So you can write 9 and your carry will become 6. So the last step is 3 into 5, that is 15, and 15 and 6 will be giving you to answer as 21. So this is your final answer, which you can again check with your calculator. So why we are practicing 4 digits number calculation, direct calculation? Why we're not just using the normal way of multiplication? So because although you won't find this 4 digit criss-cross method multiplication very common, but if you practice this 4 digit type of criss-cross methods, then you can easily do it for the simpler ones. Like if you have to do 38 into 47, so if you are doing these types of 4 digit type of criss-cross multiplication, which is little difficult, so you will think these are very easy. So we have already saw a video on this, like first step, second step, then third step. So let's see how fast I can do. So 8 into 7 is 56, so you will get 6 and you will get 5 as carry. Then 3 into 7 is 21, and 4 into 8 is 32. So 21 and 32 will give you 53. 53 and 5 will become 58, so 8, and you have again carry of 5. So last step, 3 into 4 is 12, 12 and 5 is 17. So even here also I can do more faster, because I am talking also with you, so I have to tell you all the calculations, so I am taking a little bit more time, but you can see you can do in very less time. So that's the benefit of understanding this type of criss-cross multiplication. So I hope that you have enjoyed the session. So thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel.